Leo, hi. How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you're safe, by the way. I'm going to do a reading for the month of May 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter signs. So, Leos, how are you doing? I said Leos are life changing in my life in April readings. April reading. They definitely are. Okay, let's do your reading. You might be wanting to go to temples, is what I'm saying, or religious places. Mother of Cups is the first card. Interesting. Yeah, I believe few Leos might be pregnant. They might have a baby. That's something I'm seeing. For most of the Leos, they are becoming a mother. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Father of Wands. Father of Wands is that person who has a lot of passion. Mother of Cups next to the Father of Wands, definitely 100% people who are married. Most of the Leos who are watching my video, they are chances are they'll be pregnant. Yeah, most of the Leos this month will be pregnant. Mother of Cups next to the Father of Wands. No doubt about it. Congratulations. For others, your parents might be having an anniversary this month. Like they might be celebrating their marriage anniversary this month. Also, few Leos might get married, or you might be dating, or you might be going to honeymoons or vacations after your marriage in the month of May. Oh, month of May, yeah, it's a good time. Yes, Father of Swords. Wow, Leos, look what you got. Court cards here. 3 court cards. Mother of Cups, Father of Wands, Father of Swords. I believe people who are pregnant, they will have a son. They might have a child who might be a son, because Father of Swords, father. You might be having you will be having a child who is very intelligent. Definitely very intelligent is what I'm seeing, because Father of Swords is all about mind. The highest peak of sword is mind, intelligence, and Father of Swords is the highest intelligence. Okay, person who is very intellectual, who is very smart, genius. He might be scoring well in school, doing well in school, scoring well, good marks, very intelligent. Father of Swords. This reading is gone here. Gone in the sense awesome. I don't know how to say. Ace of Swords. My God. What is this reading all about? Very strange. Few Leos might be playing games, especially which has to do with fighting, which involves swords or some fighting. I know all games have competition, but definitely this is more about a fight, a game which relates to fighting. Or you might be watching a movie which relates to which has to do with a lot of fighting scenes. What else? If you're having a child, he'll be very intelligent. Also, he'll be starting new things. He'll be learning new things apart from what they teach in school. He might be learning new things. Ace of Swords. He'll be very creative also. And most of the Leos, if you go back to the April reading, you can check out over here, eye icon. I said they'll be starting something new, creative endeavor, because you got Ace of Wands at the bottom, at the last 10th card, I believe. Leos. Now you got Ace of Swords, something which is very creative. You're looking forward. This flipped out. I just started to shuffle and it flipped out. 8 of Swords, lot of sword energy. Father of Swords, Ace of Swords, and 8 of Swords. Sword. It's like a hat trick. I believe you like cricket. You like to watch cricket now in the month of May. You might be watching highlights because there's no live here now. 8 of Swords represents that many people are getting these cards now because it's quarantine. They're feeling stuck. They're not able to open their wings. That is 8 of yeah. I saw 10 of Swords in the bottom of the deck, but nothing to worry. I believe that who are pregnant, you have a fear of, not exactly fear, but you're just worried a little bit that about your baby, whether he'll be safe or not, is what I'm saying. There's nothing to worry. Your spouse is there, next to you, the same home. They'll take care, is what I'm saying. But you're very concerned about your baby. You want to take care, you want to nurture him the right way. Because of this quarantine, you feel like he may not have that more nurturing, because you want to eat fruits or nurture him with good medicines or take care of him. You know what I'm saying? Because you got Cups energy, okay, you have to drink a lot of water also, because especially people who are pregnant, they have to drink a lot of water, so make sure you're doing that. Okay, should I stop here? You guys, I'm not kidding. Son of Pentacles, I strongly believe that you will have, most of the people who are watching my video right now, Leos, you'll have a baby soon. They're already pregnant, is what I'm saying, if I'm not wrong. That is all I'm saying here. Son of Pentacles, he'll be abundant as well. He'll be wealthy. Son of Pentacles, your child will be wealthy. I'm saying son, but chances are that he'll be a male. But there's no gender specific here now, just to be honest. But he will be very intelligent, he'll be very wealthy. Okay, definitely. One thing is that he'll be wealthy, but he'll be spending a lot as well. So he'll be wealthy, but at the same time he'll be spending a lot. So chances are that he'll be not so wealthy, but definitely wealthy, because it is not king, it is sun. Sun is a knight in Rider-Waite. So if you get King of Pentacles, it means the highest amount of finances and abundance, but it is not king, it is sun. So you can relate to that. Again, sun is he's mature, but he's not as mature as a father of pentacles, okay, with relates to finances. But when it comes to intelligence, yes, he's in top. Six of Swords. He will learn lessons in life, deep lessons. It might be painful, but those lessons, what he learned, it will lead him to have a colorful, like a rainbow life here. He'll have a colorful and bright life. But he has to experience that pain. He has to learn that lesson. If he learns that lesson, he can use that lesson to, that lesson will teach him, how can I say this? This pain will actually help him in his further life, in his further journey to have a colorful life. I don't know how, but that is what I'm seeing. For people who are not pregnant, I believe that you want to start a new business for a few people, but you're actually having pain. You're feeling that things are not right. You're not able to start it. You're feeling that resistance, and it is not within you, but it is the surroundings. Maybe weather. Rainbow is weather. I told in my April Cancer reading, rainbow relates to weather according to me. So weather situations are not proper. You're feeling that way. For a few months, it's gonna be like that. Check out my coronavirus prediction. You can get an idea. I said rainbow. I don't know how I said. I mean, we got rainbow. I just mentioned, and even this card has rainbow. Okay. I said check out my coronavirus prediction. We got 10 of Cups also in that reading. So check out. You definitely have to check out. I feel like a few Leos might be just hiding your feelings. You're not sharing your feelings. This is something what I'm seeing. But you're emotionally happy. You're definitely emotionally happy. 10 of Cups. But deep inside you have pain. You're not sharing to anyone right now. You just appear happy to everyone. 10 of Cups. Everyone, your family, your friends see you very happy, but deep inside you have some pain. You're not sharing to anyone. You're not able to go out, start this new business. With regards to your career also, you feel that conditions is not right, environment is not right. You're feeling that pain inside you, but you're not sharing to anyone. But you are emotionally happy. People see you being emotionally happy. You are emotionally happy as well, but deep inside still you have the pain. You're not sharing to anyone, and you're not feeling that pain with regards to with your heart. You're feeling that pain in your mind. You're having that kind of headache, you can say. It's like an headache. You might be having headache. Hierophant. You got Hierophant. Ten of Cups next to the Hierophant. Chances are you'll be meeting new friends. Yeah. New partners. That's all I can say. Hierophant speaks about you are learning. You want to learn. You want to develop your knowledge as well. You want to learn new things, or it says that you want to gain knowledge. You have the willingness to learn something. So go ahead, there's nothing stopping you, because you got exactly, Hierophant is exactly below the Ace of Swords here. I believe this reading is very fast, I don't know, have to check it out. This flipped out, 6 of Swords, 6 of Wands. Definitely I feel like in the month of May you guys will be having few headaches. So relax. 6 of Swords, 6 of Wands. With regards to your career, definitely things will pan out well. Hierophant next to the 6 of Wands. You will find victory, you will get the victory you deserve, and if you work hard in your career, definitely you will succeed. Apart from that, 10 of Cups, Hierophant, 6 of Wands. That is another meaning here. Chances are that you will meet someone new, 10 of Cups, when you're emotionally happy. This person will be a partner, and you will achieve victory. Like you will receive a new person here. A new partner is also what I'm seeing. You might start a new relationship with this person. Chances are there. Bottom of the deck, the Devil. Intense. So chances are, if you get the Devil card in the bottom of the deck, in this situation, chances are that there is a this has to happen. This person has to come to your life, and you have to experience something with them. It is for your growth as well. It is for your enlightenment. You might be with that person, you might achieve victory with that person, but also this person came to you for liberating you, in the sense for making you receive the light and get out of this darkness and fly, for the enlightenment, basically, for the spiritual growth as well. Yes, spiritual growth. Yeah, Hierophant, spiritual. This person came to you for teaching you a great lesson in life. It is for your spiritual growth, because Devil card is all about karmic relationships. You have this deep soul contract with this person. Oh my god, Leo's in April reading also I said soul contracts. It was a soul contract I told. I don't know if it is that person or if it is another person, but definitely in the month of May you will be meeting a person, new person or the same old person, I don't know, but definitely you have a lot of emotions with them. Even they have a lot of emotions with you, because this is connected here. Everything is connected. You have a deep energetic cord as well connected to them. Check it out. So keep that in mind. If you have a deep it's called etheric cords. Okay, it's called etheric cords. Basically, you can't see it. You will actually connect with that other person with that etheric cord. Somewhere around your body, a cord will be connected to that person. If it is a karmic thing, if it is a negative, what you can say this? How can I say this? If it is a negative relationship, not negative. There's no negative. If it is a karmic relationship, basically, you will have that energetic cord connected with that person. That is basically that in this case here, and it is basically spiritual. It is for your spiritual growth. You see this lightning, and you see this. I believe it is raven. I'm not sure. It might be crow also. Hierophant is a spiritual card here. Definitely deep spiritual card. You made this soul contract with this person. Leos. So yeah, dark, really dark. Chances are you're hiding this situation also. You're not sharing to your friends the pain what you have here. You're not sharing to your friends. You are just people are seeing the rainbow. If they are seeing like you are very happy, but deep inside you are feeling the pain. You have a lot of feelings for this person, and you want to start something new with your career also, but you're not able to do that. And devil card represents karmic cycle, karmic relationship. So you can actually do a cord cutting ceremony. I don't recommend. Yeah, Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords is all about, look, it's all cutting. It's all like sword is like pierced in this. Here you can see it is like crisscrossing here. Definitely crisscrossing. You can see this X's, XXXXX. X is nothing but the scissor cutting the cords. It is very dangerous if you don't have experience. I can do that. If you comment down below, I can help you with that. But you can actually call upon Archangel Michael to do that. Okay, he can help you with that. For few people, you can check it out. Don't take my messages right away. Okay, you will get to know what is happening in your life. If you're feeling so much attached to a person in your life, if you're not able to stop thinking about them, stop you kind of miss them, you can't stop thinking about them, you have feelings for them, it is not working out, something like that, you can actually cut the cords. You have to, or else your energy will get drained, and a lot of energy will get drained. You might not actually feel that, but your soul cries. And yeah, check out, be careful with that. Bottom of the deck you have devil card, so yeah, deep. So take care guys, Leos. Watch out the reading again if you want to. I think that's all I have to say. Archangel Michael is always there for you, so you can call upon him. Don't try out I said you cord cutting, but don't try out if you don't have experience or never did it before. You can get a professional person done to you, because if you cut the cords wrongly, you might actually end up damaging your health for a couple of weeks, couple of days. It is actually painful once you cut the cord. Once you call upon Archangel Michael and cut the cord, definitely you will feel a pain in certain part of your body. Okay, most probably it will be back here. Okay, once you cut the cord, after like half an hour or 1 hour, you will actually feel a pain in certain part of your body. Most of the time it will be at the back, but where you feel the pain, that is actually, that particular part is the place where you got connected to that person. The cord was connected. So if you feel pain somewhere at the back here after cutting the cord, that means that the cord was connected from here to other person. Most of the time the other person might not feel pain that much. If you cut the cord, if you take the leap of cutting the cord yourself, the person who cuts the cord, that person will actually feel a lot of pain. The other person might sense that the other person is feeling pain, or this person might actually experience a little bit pain, not much. But cord cutting is actually a spiritual process. There is nothing wrong to do that. We have to do that. It is definitely a karmic cycle here, so watch out. Yeah, a deep soul contract, karmic lesson you have to learn from this person. Okay, other than that, that's all I have for you, Leo. It's a dark reading here. Okay, so watch out. And if you didn't watch my coronavirus prediction, check out, you got 10 of cups here, you have to check it out. Okay, yeah, click on the eye icon here. And if you have any doubts, if you need any help regards to cord cutting also, you can contact me. I have many friends who do that also. And yeah, I'll see you. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to get notified. Don't miss any of my videos. I'll be making a lot of videos for you guys. And check out the reading once again if you want to. It's a deep reading. You have to listen to this, by the way. And yeah, that's all I have. Thank you very much, Leo. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.